What's up everybody? Today we're in Seaford Town. We're up here for a friend's birthday and they're having it right at a little bar. Them cooking some goat and some Mannish Wata. Country vibes down on a little river stream and thing, but we are here and these people are on the side of the road. Jamaican roadside itch factor. Anchovy. Remember when we used to come here, so I used to come to country every Sunday with my grandfather, forget Orange. Right across here was a railway station and I took the train back then. I took it, I don't even remember where I took it, but I know some take train at Jamaica. Oh. No on the tree, rain and fall. First, see birthday girl. Birthday girl. Thank you. Still in the Mannish Wata, you know, say from the scotch bonnet pepper in there, and you can see the guts and everything in the Mannish Wata. You know, say a proper Mannish Wata, proper goat belly soup. This is a fresh killed goat, so this goat was just killed. They just put the goat in the pot. They're cooking the curry goat down. Rain start fall. You can see behind me that it looked like the weather came in on us, so they had to bring it in off of the wood fire and put it on a little stove right now to cook it down a little more. But we're out here and it could rain and fall, but that not stop it. Mannish Wata beat. Scotch bonnet in the Mannish Wata. Once we walked in, you could smell the goat. You can tell that that goat was freshly killed. You can tell that it was a ram goat. A ram goat has a distinct flavor, and you could smell the rammy and the rinkiness, if you know what I mean, coming off of the rammy when we went in there. So this is the Mannish Wata, I'm gonna tell you. Very nice, very subtle, very smooth, and trust me, it's very smooth. You have the scotch bonnet flavor coming off of it, and you have the taste of the ram goat in it. The smoothness of it is quite unique. It's a long time I don't get a ram goat or a Mannish Wata where it's so smooth. You just drink it and it went down. Wow, that's extremely smooth. Pepper, the scotch bonnet coming out. The heat, the flavor, not even the heat. More so the flavor than the heat coming out into it. But I know that because it's a fresh kill goat, you're going to have a lot more flavor in it. But I'm telling you, I don't taste the banana that I thought was in there, like a fresh banana, and I don't see it in there. But this is very smooth, very unique style of Mannish Wata, and it's awesome, friggin' wicked. Soup, but soup is excellent. Soup is excellent. Excellent Mannish Wata. Yeah, man. I can testify. So bad. Not really like that. Soup was absolutely amazing. I really have to ask for another one. It was redonkulously good. Wicked. Fully done it. Just a little piece of the pepper left in there. That's a piece of the pepper, but the soup, mad, wicked. I literally went for another soup. I had to go around the back and see what they were doing around there. I told you they had to move it inside. Rain has been falling and stuff, so they had to move from the wood fire to inside, but the soup is amazing. I must tell you, the Mannish Wata is superb. It has a natural thickness to it, and the flavor of the goat is definitely in there. You can see the goat tribe and parts of the goat and the goat intestine and stuff that make it the Mannish Wata in there, along with some carrot and some little food. But the flavor of it, there's not a lot of salt. It's like a natural thickness that it has with it, and it's absolutely amazing. It's excellent Mannish Wata. I knew it. You can't have a Mannish Wata this good and you don't have banana skin in it. It would be a sin not to. And the fact that it's so good and you have the banana with the banana skin in it now, it just took it over the top for me. Wicked. Look at that. That's the food. That is piece of pepper in there, piece of spinach, piece of banana with the skin on. That's everything you would want in a Mannish Wata. Now you're cooked. God, you want good crackling. Good there. Smell there.
You know you go. Yeah. Good old Trenton. Ready?
What's going on here?
Good old Trenton, you know? There are them people that can't have one hog, you know. The job reserve, you know. One box, not enough. You have to say
leg and tie, right?
You have to
one more!
You have to job another one.
One more! What's your man? You think I joke him and deal with? You think I joke? Watch it. Crack it like a wall. One more! I don't want to have a shit in there. I'm just No, but really. Them people are no madman to let me run here with them. You can see this. Them can't leave. Hey, I go on like, I walk out with them, you know, but I'm not lie, yo. Tiki.
Right?
Oh God, good old Lamb River. So chef would deal with the mad Mannish Wata before I know him look like him deal with some mad fried chicken. So
Yeah man, to the coverage.
chef I go on with a bag of things around here that me I tell you.
trust a woman in the industry, but she not any woman. I don't wanna go another
Nah, lie. Food was good. Everything was amazing so far. I still haven't gotten the pork, so I'm going back inside to go get my pork. But new car, I don't even know how far car this, but we just have to take a 5 minute and, you know, charge up.